嗰啲唔開心或者係呢啲嘅情景裏邊，我覺得係每一段嘅關係、每一個婚姻裏邊都會出現嘅嘢啦。咁問題就係我哋用啲咩態度去面對呢？
I like to eat together. That's how I grew up. And then she is being independent by herself for quite a while, maybe 10 plus years. So many times it happened that when I ask her, hey, let's go and eat together. And maybe in that particular time she's tired, she wants rest. So it's a different priority settings.
咁佢好中意嗰啲 Indian spices 啦，咁我就麻麻地嘅咁樣啦。印度嗰個文化係冇香港咁急促啊，咁佢哋好慢條斯理。即係我記得有次，喂，我哋約咗人去行咯，咁咁急我唔得喎，咁其實嗰陣時都已經有成半個鐘咁樣嘅預備。咁佢話下次咧你要我出門口嘅時候，你提早1個鐘頭前話俾我聽咁。
I think she's a multifunctional person. She can organize many things, but I can only do one thing at one time.
嗰啲唔開心或者係呢啲嘅情景裏邊，我覺得係每一段嘅關係都會有咯，即係每一個婚姻裏邊都會出現嘅嘢啦。咁問題就係我哋用啲咩態度去面對咧？好感恩個關係裏邊好彩有神啦。咁因為咧，每當我哋有任何嘅問題佢激嬲我，或者係我冇辦法同佢講嘅時候咧，我祈禱咧最遲都係第2朝咧，咁佢就會同我 say sorry 知道都會反省自己邊度做唔啱啊。咁我覺得一個真係愛神嘅人，又願意去享受神教導嘅人係好重要咯。即係因為唔需要我同佢講嘅時候，咁佢已經即係會反省，同埋即係神已經同佢講咗嘢。
Every time when we read Bible and when we share, then we have one authority. Authority is Bible. Okay, fine. You think you're better than me. I think I'm better than you. But this is what the Word of God says. We put Jesus in the middle of our marriage and our relationship. So that's how we handle, or can say face, most of the challenges is because of Jesus.